Good morning, friends. Hope you are all fine. Yes, friends. The last day we have started with the limitation of partnership firm. So today we are continuing with the topic. So, what are the limitations of a partnership firm? The first is the limited capital. So, what is limited capital? Already we have discussed regarding that. So what we have discussed in that, in partnership firm, we know that the capital is brought by the partners. But the problem is that the big size of modern industries and trade, it's we cannot able to raise it. Why? Because the capital is less. So what they want to say? Considering the development and the big size of modern industries and trade, the capability to raise large capital by the partner is limited, right? There is a less scope for partnership firm to engage in the large scale business activity, and due to limited capital, the activities like research cannot be undertaken. That is also a main point. In developed countries, what they are doing, they are spending more heavily on research activity. By doing research activities only, right, it's very simple. One can know about the what is the procedure, what are the requirements of the customer, what are the new modification to be done, and everything we can do in that, right? So what they want to say, limited capital. Considering the development and big size of modern industries and trade, considering the development and big size of modern industries and trade, the capability to raise large capital, the capability to raise large capital by the partner is limited. There is less scope for partnership firm to engage in large scale business. There is less scope. Less scope means what? वो आगे नहीं बढ़ा सकता. There is less scope for partnership firm to engage in large scale business activity, and due to limited capital, the activities like research cannot be undertaken. Then comes the topic unlimited liability. Already we have discussed that in sole proprietorship also, in partnership also, the liability is always unlimited. That means when the liability is more than the asset, in that case, the partner has to sell their private properties and they have to pay the debt. So what they want to say? In partnership firm, the liability of each partner is what? Unlimited. All partners are responsible for the work done for the firm by the other partners. Each and every partner is responsible. If assets of the firm are insufficient, what they want to say? If assets of the firm are insufficient to pay the debt, if assets of the firm are insufficient to pay the debt, then in that situation, what we have to do? All the partners have to pay the debt. All the partners have to pay the debt even by selling their personal properties. So what we can say in unlimited liability? In partnership firm, the liability of each partner is unlimited. All partners are responsible for the work done by the firm by any other partner. If assets of the firms are insufficient, if assets of the firm are insufficient to pay the debt, if assets of the firm are insufficient to pay the debt, then in that situation, all the partners have to pay the debt even by selling their personal property. Now the situation is possibility of disagreement. We know that in partnership the number of partner is more. So there is always a problem of disagreement. That means if any partner say that this to be followed or this business we can do, may be possibility that other partners say that no, it is not a right decision. So there is always a problem of disagreement. So what is that? There is a possibility of difference of opinion. What they want to say? There is a possibility of difference of opinion and disagreement. There is always a, what they want to say? There is always a possibility of difference of opinion. Clearly, there is always a possibility of difference of opinion and disagreement in the partnership. Disagreement in the partnership. In partnership, management of the firm, क्या लिखा है? In partnership, management of the firm runs properly. In partnership, management of the firms runs properly till there is a unity and agreement. जब तक उनके बीच में यूनिटी है और एग्रीमेंट है तो सब काम एकदम सही चलेगा. When disunity and dispute arises, जब disunity और dispute arise होगा, there is always a possibility of disagreement in partnership. Problem आएगा. So what we can say, possibility of disagreement. There is a possibility of difference of opinion and agreement, right? There is क्या लिखा है? There is always a possibility of opinion, difference of opinion and disagreement among the partners. In partnership, the management of the firms run properly. In partnership, क्या लिखा है? In partnership, the management of the firm runs properly till there is a unity and agreement. When disunity and dispute arises, जब disunity और dispute arise होगा, there is always a possibility of disagreement in the partnership, right? So what we can say, possibility of disagreement, क्या लिख सकते हैं? There is a possibility of difference of opinion and disagreement in partnership. क्या लिखा है? There is a possibility of difference of opinion and disagreement among the partners. In partnership, management of the firm runs properly. क्या लिखा है? In partnership, the management of the firm runs properly. एकदम सिंपल लिखा है. In partnership, the management of the firm runs properly till there is, कब तक? Till there is unity and agreement. Till there is unity and agreement. When disunity and dispute arises, जब disunity और dispute arise होगा, there is a possibility of disagreement in the partnership form. There is always a possibility of disagreement in partnership form. So what we can say, there is a possibility of, क्या लिखा है? There is a possibility of difference of opinion. There is a possibility of difference of opinion and disagreement in the partnership. In partnership, the management of the firm, in partnership, the management of the firm run properly if there is a unity and disagreement. When disunity and dispute arises, there is always a possibility of disagreement in the partnership. Now the next point is difficulty in maintaining secrets. Obviously, in sole proprietorship only one person is there, so he is very much capable to keep the secrets intact. While in partnership there are more than one person are there, that means 2 persons are there, 10 are there, 15 are there. So whatever the secrets in the business, it can be revealed very easily to the others, right? So now what they want to say, difficulty in maintaining secrets. In partnership, important business decision cannot be in partnership. 1 minute. In partnership, important business decision cannot be taken without proper discussion and thinking process. Due to discussion among the partners, the maintenance of business secrets are difficult. Right, so what they want to say, difficulty in maintaining secret. In partnership, important business decision cannot be taken. क्या लिखना है? In partnership, important business decision cannot be taken without proper discussion and thinking process. Due to discussion among the partners, the maintenance of business secrets are difficult, right? We know that any decision is to be taken is with the common consent of all the partners. So in partnership, important decisions cannot be taken without the proper discussions and thinking process. But due to this discussion among the partners, what happened? The maintenance of business secrets are difficult. Difficulty in share transfer, right? That also we have learned. In partnership firm, there is we can do the share transfer only when there is a consent of other partners. If there is no consent, we cannot transfer the share. So there is always a difficulty in share transfer. So what we can say? In partnership firm, the partners cannot transfer his share to the other person easily. Share transfer to another person requires the consent of all the partners. So it's very simple they want to say. What is the difficulty in share transfer? In partnership firm, the partners cannot transfer his share to other person easily. Share transfer to another person requires the consent of all the partners. Next is delay in decision making. According to the law, each partner can take part in the management of the firm. It's very simple. According to the law, each partner can take part in management of the firm. Due to internal disputes and disagreement among the partners, decision taking process is delayed. Decision making process is delayed. As a result, the management becomes what? Weak, and due to internal dispute, many partnership firms may dissolve. अंदर ही अंदर इतने प्रॉब्लम्स हो जाते हैं कि पार्टनरशिप फॉर्म को क्या करना पड़ जाता है, बंद करना पड़ता है. राइट, व्हाट दे वांट टू से, delay in decision making. Right, what they want to say, according to law each partner can take part in management of the firm, है ना. According to law each partner can take part in the management of the firm, but due to internal dispute and disagreement among the partners, decision taking process is delayed. As a result, उसका रिजल्ट से क्या होता है, द मैनेजमेंट बिकम्स वीक, मैनेजमेंट वीक हो जाता है. एंड ड्यू टू इंटरनल डिस्प्यूट से क्या होता है, मेनी पार्टनरशिप फॉर्म्स में डिसॉल्व. शॉर्ट लाइफ स्पैन, what for the reason of death, insolvency or loss of mental balance of any partner of the partnerships comes to an end. What we can say, short lifespan. फॉर द रीजन ऑफ द डेथ, अगर डेथ हो जाता है किसी बंदे का, इंसॉल्वेंसी हो जाता है, लॉस ऑफ मेंटल बैलेंस हो जाता है ऑफ एनी पार्टनर, द पार्टनरशिप्स कम्स टू एन एंड, पार्टनरशिप खत्म हो जाता है पूरी तरीके से. सो व्हाट आर द टॉपिक्स फ्रेंड्स वी हैव लर्न इन द लिमिटेशन. वी कैन रिवाइज फ्रॉम द स्टार्टिंग ओनली. Define partnership. So what is the definition? That we have to write the perfect. Partnership is a relationship between the such person who have agreed to share the profit of a business which is carried by all or any of the person behalf of all. Then comes the characteristics. The first characteristic is relation by agreement. Chalo, bolo, what is relation by agreement? Partnerships comes into existence by an agreement. Agreement can be of two types, oral and written agreement. And written agreement is more desirable. सही है. Next comes establishment procedure. क्या लिखना है? The establishment procedure of the partnership firm is very easy. No complicity of law is required. Third, registration. It is not compulsory to register the firm, but if it is to be registered, it is given to the registrar of the partnership firm to register it. Number of partners, right? As per the Act 2013, the number of partner has been 100, but in 2014, the number of partner has been decreased to 50. Purpose. Now what is the purpose? The main purpose of the partnership firm is to carry the legal full business in order to earn the profit. An activity without profit is not a partnership. An activity without profit is not a partnership. Example, social service and religious activities are legal, but their purpose is not to earn profit. So it is not a partnership. Then comes capital. But we can say capital. Generally, all partners bring capital. Generally, all partners brings capital. But still it is not necessary. What we can say? Generally, all partners bring capital. But still it is not necessary for all partners. But still it is not necessary for all partners to bring the capital. Partners bring the capital as shown in the partnership deed. Right? Management. We know that in partnership firm, all partners can manage the firm jointly. right, मिलके करते हैं. All partners have a right to take part in the decision making process. As shown in the partnership deed, any one or more than one partner can take part in the management. Then comes unlimited liability. Like sole proprietorship in the matters related to the payment of the debt, like sole proprietorship, the matters related to the payment of the debt, liability of all partners is unlimited. All the partners have to sell their private properties for the payment of the debt. According to the Partnership Act for a partnership firm, partners are responsible personally or jointly for the payment of the firm debt. Hence, if any one of the partner is unable to pay the debt from his personal property, then rest of the partners have to pay the debt from their personal properties. Right? The most important point, unlimited liability. जब कर्जा ज्यादा हो जाता है. ट्रांसफर ऑफ ऑनरशिप, ये भी हमने पढ़ा था. इन पार्टनरशिप द ट्रांसफर ऑफ ऑनरशिप इज नॉट इजी. First of all, the partner have to take the consent of all the partners, and without his consent, right, without the consent of all the partners, the partner cannot transfer his share, right. So in partnership form, क्या लिखा है? In partnership form, the transfer of ownership is not easy. पहली चीज, without the consent of all the partners, without the consent of all the partners, any partner cannot transfer. No partner can transfer his share in favor of other person. If any partner transfer his share, कोई partner अगर ऐसा करता है, if any partner transfer his share without the consent of other partner, the other partner can dissolve the firm. ठीक है. In partnership firm, the transfer of ownership is not easy. Without the consent of all the partners, partner cannot transfer his share in favor of other person. If any person transfer his share without the consent of all partners, then any partner can bring the dissolution of the firm. Now comes legal status. Now what is that? Indian Partnership Act 1932 clarifies partners' right, duties, rules, registration of the firm as well as the other provision. Lifespan of the firm, क्या लिखा है? Lifespan मतलब कितने साल तक चलता है? Already we have discussed that the lifespan of the partnership firm is limited. क्या लिखा है? The lifespan of the partnership is limited. If any partner loses mental balance, dies or declared insolvent, then the partnerships comes to an end. Partnership बंद हो जाता है. Remaining partners with their mutual consent can distribute the share of such partner among themselves or admit a new partner. In this way, partnerships comes into end, but many times the partnership form is not dissolved. Right. So what is the lifespan? Already we have discussed. The lifespan of the partnership firm is limited. If any partner loses mental balance, है ना, दिमागी तौर पे बीमार पड़ जाना, insane हो जाना, dies हो जाना और insolvent हो जाना, then partnerships comes to an end. Remaining partner with their mutual consent that distribute the share of such partner among themselves or admit a new partner. अपने अंदर ही वो शेयर बांट सकते हैं या नए पार्टनर को बुला सकते हैं. In this way, partnerships comes to an end, but many times it does not comes into dissolution. Advantages near about same. Easy and less expensive process of establishment. इसमें क्या देखा था? ट्राई करो. Yes, the process of establishment of the partnership firm is very easy as compared to sole proprietorship, है ना? Because no complicity of law is required. Efficient management. In sole proprietorship, only one person is there who will be able to manage and everything. But here, what happens? You know that more than two persons are there. So according to their knowledge, according to their intelligence, according to their skill, and according to their experience, right? The management in the management is in the hands of the partners. Management is in the hands of the partners, and they take active interest to take care of the management. As there is a direct control of the partner over employees, the firm is managed efficiently. Increase in goodwill and creditworthiness. Now, what is that? As, a, as, as every partner has unlimited liability. Right? क्या लिखा है? As every partner has unlimited liability. Right? हर एक बंदे के पास ये बोला. As every partner has unlimited liability, other traders do not hesitate. Right? Every partner has an unlimited liability. Other partners do not hesitate to sell the goods on credit or lend finance to the firm. Creditors can realize their debt from any partner, even from his private properties. Thus, in comparison to sole proprietorship, the possibility of increasing the creditworthiness of the firm is more. More capital. Now, what is that? More capital. In partnership firm, as there are two or more partners, partnership firm में क्या होता है, एक या एक से ज़्यादा लोग होते हैं. More capital can be raised, ज़्यादा पैसा हम ला सकते हैं. In future, when the business develops, future में जब business develop हो जाता है, it will require more capital, ज़्यादा पैसे की ज़रूरत है. Then by admitting a new partner, additional capital can be realized, है ना? So what we can say, more capital. In partnership firm, there are two or more partners. In partnership firm, there are two or more partners. More capital can be raised. ज़्यादा capital हम raise कर सकते हैं. In future, when the business develop, the future में जब business develop होगा, it will require more capital. ज़्यादा पैसे की ज़रूरत होगी. Then by admitting a new partner, नया partner को admission देने के बाद additional capital can be realized. Additional capital को हम realize कर सकते हैं. Next है advantages of division of labor. Advantages can be derived from the different skill. क्या लिखा है? Advantages can be derived from the different skill. क्योंकि सब बंदों के पास अपना अपना knowledge अलग होता है. So what they want to say, advantages can be derived from the different skill and abilities of the partners of the firm. By allocating the work to the partner according to their abilities and experience, the advantages of division of labor can be obtained. Right, क्या लिखा है? Advantages can be derived from the different skill and abilities of the partners of the firm. By allocating the work to the partners, काम दे देते हैं हम partners को, according to their abilities and experience, the advantages of division of labor can be obtained. Proper decision. In partnership firm, before taking any decision of any matter, discussion and thinking process take place. In partnership firm, before taking any decision, क्या लिखा है? In partnership firm, before taking any decision for any matter, discussion, thinking process take place. Opinion of each partner is noted. हर एक पार्टनर का नोट किया जाता है. And then only in the interest of business, then only the interest of the business, right? Then only in the interest of business, a decision is taken by the concern. As the benefit of all knowledge and experience of the partner is available, the possibility of wrong decision is very less. Chances कम रहता है. Then come the flexibility. Flexibility का मतलब change करना, अदर बदलाव लाना. Partnership, we know, it's a voluntary agreement. In this agreement, required changes can be made. है ना? Clear लिखा है. Partnership is a voluntary agreement, and in this agreement, required changes can be made. And according to the changing environment, अपने environment के हिसाब से, the necessary changes can easily be made in the management and in the structure of the firm. Next है protection of the interest of minority. क्या है ये? Usually in partnership firm, all types of work is carried out with the consent of all the partners. क्या लिखा है? Usually in partnership firm, all types of work is carried out with the consent of all the partners. If any partner does not require, क्या लिखा है? If any partner does not agree to any decision, then the work cannot begin. Right? काम नहीं बढ़ा सकते. Any partner can ask the dissolution of the partnership. This way, the interest of minority is protected. Direct relationship with the customer. Like sole proprietorship, partnership also changes can be made easily as there is a direct contact with the customers and employees. Decentralization of economic power. In partnership form, there are more than two partners. Economic power is divided among all the partners. सबके बीच में बराबर बट जाता है. Less burden of income tax. The profit of the partnership is divided among the partners. अलग बढ़ जाता है. Therefore, income tax भी बहुत कम होता है. Limitation. Limitation में limited capital, unlimited liability, possibility of disagreement, difficulty in maintaining secrets, difficulty in share transfer, delay in decision making, short lifespan. Limited capital. We know that industry to be established will require big machines, modern industries and all. Right, but there is always a availability of capital in a large scale, so there is a problem. As well as the research we cannot take. Unlimited liability, I think already we have discussed that. Possibility of disagreement में क्या है? As the number of partners are more, there is always a possibility of difference among the opinion among the partners. In partnership, the management of the firm runs properly till there is a unity and agreement. When this unity and dispute arises, there is a possibility of disagreement. Difficulty in maintaining secrets. What you can do? In partnership, important business decision cannot be taken without proper discussion and thinking process. And due to discussion among the partners, the maintenance of business secrets are difficult. Difficulty in share transfer. In partnership firm, a partner cannot transfer his share to other person easily. Share transfer to another person requires the consent of all the partners. Delay in decision making. According to the law, each partner can take part in the management of the firm. Due to internal disputes and disagreement among the partners, decision taking process is delayed. As a result of the management becomes weak due to internal dispute, many partnership firms may dissolve. Short lifespan. For the reason of the death, insolvency or loss of mental balance of any partner, the partnerships comes to an end. Okay friends, up to here. In the next period, we discuss types of partners and very interesting it is. Okay, so revise this one. Thank you.